Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 6,250 watt digital hybrid open frame inverter with quiet technology. Great for using recreationally, providing power for your next project, or for emergency backup power around the house. Using quiet technology, this open frame inverter is 50% quieter and 20% lighter than a traditional 5,000 watt generator. The Quick Touch panel offers easy access to controls, and economy mode can provide an even quieter operation, extended engine life, and higher fuel economy. This unit comes standard with a dual USB adapter and a pair of automotive-style battery charging cables. And it's equipped with our convenient quick oil drain tube for clean and easy oil changes. This unit is also powerful enough to run your major household appliances during a power outage. Read your operator's manual to easily get your inverter up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Attach the wheel kit. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline to the inverter. Start the inverter. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's innovative 6,250 watt digital hybrid open frame inverter. The perfect choice for quiet, lightweight, portable power.
A powerful generator for home or RV. This is the WGen 9500 DF generator by Westinghouse. An open frame portable generator producing up to 12,500 peak watts and up to 9,500 running watts. The dependable Westinghouse engine can run up to 12 hours on a tank of gas or easily switch to propane. Connect with two dual 120 volt outlets, the transfer switch ready 30 amp twist lock outlet, or take advantage of the full power of the generator with a 50 amp outlet. The push-button start, remote start key fob, and host of built-in safety features make it a smart, versatile solution to your portable power needs. The WGen 9500 DF generator by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.
From protecting your family during a power outage to powering your RV on a road trip, the Duramax 4400 watt dual fuel portable generator is there when you need it. Environmentally minded and EPA approved, the XP4400EH gives you the option of using either gasoline or liquid propane. This unit will run for a full 8 to 12 hours on a single tank of gas. If you want to switch over to propane, it only takes a few seconds and it's worth it. One tank of propane lasts longer, costs less, and unlike gasoline, can be stored for years without going bad. The generator's flexible line even lets you hook up to any size propane tank, including the one from your barbecue. The XP4400EH's electric start makes the unit easy for anyone to start and operate. The power panel includes two 120 volt household outlets for plugging in anything from a lamp to a hairdryer, and a 30 amp outlet for your more heavy duty power needs. This panel also features a voltmeter circuit breaker, low oil indicator, and Duramax's exclusive MX2 RV switch that harnesses the generator's full power by combining the two 15 amp 120 volt circuits into one powerhouse 30 amp circuit, giving you double the 120 volt power for heavy loads like commercial power tools, electric pumps, small air conditioners, and your RV's demanding power needs. Thanks to frame dampening and a unique exhaust design, this generator runs at a comfortable 69 decibels, enough to have a conversation without raising your voice and suitable for public places like campgrounds and parks. No flat, semi-solid tires ride like air and last for years. Like all Duramax generators, the XP4400EH is built with all copper windings, will last you for years, and is covered by a 3-year factory warranty. Included at no extra cost is a wheel and handle kit, as well as a set of wrenches for easy maintenance. The XP44EH is a mid-sized powerhouse in the Duramax line that is ultra portable, yet can provide plenty of power on the job site, around the house, or for your RV. Duramax, powering everyone, anywhere.